How to create an Payoneer account. Hi everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to sign up or create Payoneer account. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch your web browser on your device. On search bar, click and type in payoneer.com. Press enter on your keyboard to get access to the official interface of Payoneer. To sign in or register into the Payoneer account, click on Register button at top right corner of the screen. Or else you can click on Open Your Account to access the sign up page. Scroll down. Now choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs, whether freelancer or SMB, online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, or individual. For now, select individual. And now choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs and select the option that describes you the best. Let's click the first option. You can choose any option according to your need. Now go through this information and click on Register button. Now here are the 4 steps that you need to go through in order to sign up into Payoneer. First is getting started. Answer: if your business registered with any government, business licensing or tax authority. If yes, click yes button or no, then click the no button. Scroll down. Now fill in the fields in English characters only. Your first name, last name, email address, and date of birth. Then click the next button and you have to enter and fill up your contact details. Also, enter your security details and then the last step. Here you will almost done all the credentials to sign up into Payoneer. So that is how we successfully sign up and create account on Payoneer. I hope this guide was helpful. Do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.